Hi, all remote learners. I hope you all are doing well today. So today we are going to be reading a passage, and then you're going to be answering questions. So the questions will be in teams in your forms document. So let's go ahead and start this passage and read it. So it says, weathering, erosion, and deposition. Earth's surface is constantly changing and new land is constantly being formed. Rocks being broken down by weathering move through erosion and deposited or dropped somewhere else through deposition. Weathering is the process where rock is dissolved, worn away, or broken down into small pieces. Weathering can shape rocks into usual formation. Water, wind, ice, and plant roots are all causes of weathering. For example, rainwater can easily enter cracks in rocks. When it gets colder, the water may freeze and expand in the cracks. The ice will eventually split the rock. Also, plant roots can grow in rocks and cause them to split. So let's go ahead and continue on by moving it down. So let's see. We're at where it says erosion. Erosion is the process by which water, ice, wind, or gravity move pieces of rock and soil. The crushed rocks and rubble are called sediments, and when it rains, they are washed away into streams, which we already know what sediments are because we learned about sediments from our previous unit of properties of soil. If it does not rain, strong winds can blow them away. Gravity makes soil and rocks move downhill. Erosion can happen quickly and take thousands of years. For example, the Grand Canyon, located in Arizona, is a very big hole in the ground. That is the result of constant erosion by the Colorado River. It took over millions of years as rocks were taken away. Okay. Deposition is the dropping of sediment by wind, water, ice, or gravity. After pieces of earth are moved through erosion, they are deposited somewhere else through deposition. It could be only a few feet away or many miles away. Deposition happens when water slows down or stops moving. The wind dies down and stops blowing, or when the glacier melts. New landfalls can also be created from the deposited materials. For example, waves can deposit sediments in areas offshore where they can build up to be sand dunes. And sand dunes, you will be able to see based off of what we have learned already. So weathering, erosion, and deposition are constantly changing our landscape. Can you imagine how most areas of our Earth will look years from now? So let's go ahead and we can see these different pictures that we have. So we have the limestone, and it's based off of the shore that it has, and it's weathering from Guam. So we have physical weathering in Iceland because we can see that it has cracks. Then we have the natural arc produced by wind erosion in Jordan. Then we have the rock formation sculpted by wind erosion in Bolivia. And then we have the sand blown by wind deposits in the forms of sand dunes in Death Valley. Sorry, it's hard to see, so I'm trying to see it a little better. Next one is the wind deposit sediment that create a yellowish wall that's a like structure called Los in Mississippi. So that is in the US. So we can see here, it's hard to see with it being black and white, but you'll be able to see that yellowish wall it has on it. So you can look at that when it comes to different rocks whenever you are traveling, so you can see that. What you're gonna do in teams is you're going to go and answer these questions. So these is what you have. So what is weathering? The movement of sediment from one place to another is the process of. So you're going to answer these questions in teams. So again, you're going to have all these questions. There are 10 questions. So you're going to answer these questions in teams in your forms document. I hope you'll all have a great day. I will see y'all later, guys. Bye.